How many layers are you wearing?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 underneath, and 7.
I'm wearing
Outfit of the day.
1 layer, 2 layers, 3 layers, 4 layers, 5 layers, and then I gotta put.
Hold on, I'm getting on the elevator.
I gotta put this somewhere. Sweatpants. We both almost fought the TSA lady, but we literally had to stop ourselves. She was so rude.
told me,
just like, lady, calm down. Like, it's not that deep. But yeah. Now we're just trying to find our gate and chill out because we're hot. We're wearing all these layers because we're flying Spirit. And if you know, you know, we're not paying for a carry-on at all.
We made it on the flight. I was having a panic attack, so I didn't record much. But yeah, now we're on the way. I don't think they can hear you. I think they can hear us.
It's day 2, or it's day 1. Actually, we just got here.
Literally just woke up.
But yeah, we basically got in last night at like, we touched down at like 1 a.m. And then we physically got to our Airbnb at like 2 something. And then by the time we were sleeping, ready to turn the lights off, it was like 3 a.m. And so we overslept a little bit. We're supposed to wake up at like 8. But now it's like 9, almost 9:30. But this bed is so freaking comfortable. That's why it's a problem.
It's like a freaking cloud.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Literally so good. But right now, we're gonna go pick up the rental car so we can get the day going and really, you know, get to moving around. So let's go. We got the car and she's cute. She red. We love a good red car. Oh, fresh.
Oh, push to start, shorty.
Oh, let's go. Also, happy 420, everyone.
420 blazing.
On the way to the first adventure. Where are we going? Take a guess where you think we're going. So, if you watched our last video about Turo and like that car rental situation, we're not going that route this time at all. So we got through an actual like
rental car service.
So
if you have AAA, you get like mad discounts on rental cars, like Hertz, Dollar. I think there's one other one, but yeah.
Yeah. We made it. We're at Multnomah Falls. It's a very pretty popular place here. And we're being tourists today, obviously. But it's so pretty. Literally so green. The air is so fresh and crisp. Look how clear this water is. Like, can y'all see that? You can see straight to the bottom with the rocks. It looks so pretty. Oh my God. This is like the perfect place to be for 420, honestly. What do you give it?
10.
You look so beautiful. We are chasing waterfalls all day. For life. All 2023 we're chasing waterfalls.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. Tell me what you want after this club. I'll pick you with my women, I'm deciding.
There's a cave in there that goes pretty far back, it looks like. And we both want to know what's in there. A fork. Oh my God. Stop, you scared me. You scared the crap out of us. We're using an ironing board as a table. but it works perfectly fine.
It works.
So yeah, we have the full layout right now.
Of pupusas.
Looks delicious. Mmm. Wow.
And like the cheese pool. You ready? It's so good.
So we hella fell asleep for like 3 hours. Those pupusas put us straight to bed. We were exhausted, like after that hike, and we didn't eat till literally 5 p.m. Shout out to Papusiera. Fuck, I can't say that.
Papusiera. Papusiera 5 estrellas, which is papusaria 5 stars. 5 stars.
Yeah, so shout out to Papusaria 5 estrellas. It's just a small business out here in Portland. If you're in Portland and you want some pupusas, go there because they were super nice and everything was super authentic and like home cooked. Like it felt like you were with their family in their house. Like it was so good. And yeah, we're about to head out and we'll see y'all wherever we end up. It's day 2 now, and we have a problem because we keep waking up late. Like this room, this bed is too comfortable,
and we keep staying up too late.
She has blackout curtains. We're staying up late, knowing we got a lot to do the next day. So, like,
we're out. We're there.
When we're on vacation, we're like, we try to be up and like on the move as much as possible. But we've been sneaking in good naps and like still relaxing at the same time. So it's been a perfect balance. Today's my birthday.
Happy birthday!
I'm 27 today.
If y'all don't go tell her happy birthday in the comments, I'm gonna come for you.
We're on our way to the Japanese gardens in Oregon. It's supposed to be very relaxing and peaceful and very pretty, all the greenery. And yeah, we're gonna get our zen on, our meditation on. I have such bad car anxiety. It's not like, even
worse than
funny.
Me now. Tonight, when we were going home from the club, the whole entire way, she's like, "Oh my god, what are you doing? I'm like, girl, I'm literally driving straight. Like, what are you talking about? Like, driving me nuts."
But don't act like you don't do the same thing when I'm driving.
I do because yes.
Exactly. Oh, we both do it to each other. It's a problem. We know. It's just anxiety, major anxiety in the car. Just so scared of crashing. Like I have like a huge fear of fucking crashing, like really badly.
Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. Yeah. I'm so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea.
Tell them how you got in trouble for stepping on the moss.
The guy yelled at me.
He was nice, but yeah, she got in trouble. It was funny.
But I don't forget the fact that
there's no signs.
I got in trouble because of you. Because I was like, look at this little thing right here. She's like, you can go right there, go right there. And I went, and then I got yelled at. So it's like, you're fucked.
There's no signs. They should make more signs. There's literally no signs. There was no barricade, no little rope up. It just looked like you could walk. So hey. Tell me what you just called this animal.
I know it's not an ostrich, but I said ostrich.
She said ostrich with her chest.
What is it?
What is it?
I don't know, tell me. Not an ostrich.
It's a flamingo, you dork.
No, it's not.
That is a flamingo.
Can you guys tell her that that is not a flamingo?
Obviously the color isn't right, but it's a flamingo. That's the only bird with skinny legs like that.
I don't believe that that's a flamingo. Maybe it's a different bird.
Just straight off my word.
It's not a flamingo.
your skin.
Recording. Not that I was eating it, it was just dangling there, so
So you ate your skin.
I ripped it off, I didn't eat it.
Okay.
It's like a food truck course. Like music, people.
What are you eating, Kylie?
Sushi burrito. It's kind of falling apart.
It looks delish.
Like I randomly like ketchup only with French fries.
Yeah,
but I don't really like it often. Normally barbecue and ranch is my go-to.
Yeah.
But I'm just feeling ketchup right now.
Thanks. I'm honestly so tired. We've
done a lot of like activity, walking.
Yeah.
The past couple
As
days.
you can see in the video, we've been walking and hiking and incline and sweating and it's
Happy
been a lot.
birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, baby. Chelsea's made my day very special. I love her. We're just gonna chill at the Airbnb for the rest of the night so we can be ready, fresh for tomorrow and not sleep in, because we do need to like kind of get an early start because we're going to the Oregon coast tomorrow. All right, here we are. We got a big old bag. She's heavy too. We got 3 of these water bottles because we need that. We got these chicken breakfast burritos for the morning. And then we got the crunchy slaw salad for the afternoon, like for the beach. Yeah, for the lunch.
I like lunch.
We got some chopsticks to snack on for protein. And then we got some of their little fruit roll-up things to snack on as well. And, oh, butter chicken. And we still have leftover pupusas from 2 days ago. Because we literally got so many of them and we've just been snacking on them. But now, yeah, and we got more cookies because the ones that this Airbnb lady gave to us was delicious.
And now we're addicted.
Now we're addicted. Now we know exactly where to find them, and it's gonna be an issue if we don't learn some self-control. So we'll check in again later. Bye. Yeah, it's really good. Cheers.
2 seconds later.
Literally. Back at home now, finally. We literally, it was a journey to get home for one. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had such a good time. It was so much fun. It was so beautiful. The vibes were great. The weather was great. We did everything we wanted to do. So yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed it. Chelsea's gone to pick up our dog because she's been with her grandma all weekend and we've missed her. So we're like, as soon as we wake up, we're gonna go get her. So she went to go get her to bring her back. I'm so excited to see her. Oh my god, I love my dog so much. But yeah, rest of the day I'm just gonna be hanging out, chilling, and yeah, we're just back to regular program. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.